Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I'm going to show you how to stretch in a hotel room. So, I'm taking seminars this weekend. I have a repetition to uphold. I can't be stiff. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit on a chair, and I'm just going to crunch myself over the back of it like this, okay? Hands here, and then push with my hands into the chair, and just, oh yes. Okay? Get a bit of a stretch, open up the ribs, and then turn the head left and right. Nice deep breath and relax. And then scooch myself up a little bit. And do the same thing up a little bit higher. So I'm actively trying to go over the chair like this the whole time. I'm not just going, I'm actively going, ooh, there is a difference, okay? Next, might as well do the hips while I'm here. So just put your foot in the chair and then sit yourself down. Up you go. Get that nice stretch in the hip and then look at that. How many claps did you get in this video? Then from there, I can just hang myself down off the top of this wardrobe. Check for dust, of course. And do the droop. Do that for a longer period of time, make it more beneficial. Okay guys, so give them a go. Let me know what you think.